Good morning, students. So today we are going to study algebra, and this is the book of class 6 ICSE 11th algebra for schools. So hall and night. Today we will be taking the first example, which is examples. This is the second one. Example 1a. In this, what you need to do is substitute the values and then simply solve it. So without delaying, let us begin. So what you need to focus on this is, first you need to copy the questions properly. If you copy the wrong answer, obviously you will not get your desired answer. And then the second thing is, you need to put the values of the variables properly. So let us begin. So let us write example 1a. Okay. So let us first note down the values of the variables. A is 7. Then we have got B as 2, C as 1, and then X as 5, and finally Y as 3. So the next is, let us go to the first sum, which is number 1, 14x. So 14 is a constant, and then we have got the variable x. So 14 we will note it down as it is. Then look at x. X is there. So look for the value of x. So what do we have? We have got x as 5. So put the value of 5. Now I think you know the table of 14. If you don't know, you simply multiply it in this way. 5 4s are 20. So you carry 2, and then 5 1s are 5, and then you have got 2 above. So 5 1s are 5 plus 2 7. So you have got 14 into 5, which is 70. Let us go to the second sum. The second sum is x to the power 3, which means x cube. What do we have in x? X is 5 and cube is cube. So you go for multiplication again. 5 into 5 into 5. So I already know it, it's 125. But for you, if you don't know, 5 5s are 25, and then into 5 you do. So you will be getting 125. And then let us go to the third sum, which is 3ax. So 3 you will copy it as it is. A, the value of a you put it, it's 7, and then the value of 5 x, which is 5. So you need to go for the multiplication. You need to have a rough space. So 3 into 7 is 21, and 21 into 5 is 5 1s are 5, 5 to the 10, which you get is 105. Hope you are all understanding. If you don't understand, please comment in the comment section below. So let us go for the next sum, the fourth sum. So the fourth sum is a to the power 5. Okay, a to the power 5. So find out what the value of a is. A is 7, and so to the power 5. So you have got 5 times 7. 3 times, and okay, multiply everything. So as far as I know, 7 7s are 49, 7 7s are 49. Okay, so 49 into 49, let me do the square of 49. I need to find out. So 9 9s are 81, carry 8, 4 9s are 36, 44, and 4 9s are 36, carry 3, 4 positions are 19, 1, and then you have 10 carry 1, which is 9, then 14, then 2401. So I get 2401. So let me repeat. What is important here is you need to copy the question properly first, and only then you can be able to solve the sum. And after you copy the question properly, you need to focus on the values that you are putting, that should be correctly inputted, or else you will not get the desired answer. So now next question, which is number 5. In this we have got 5, which is the constant, and then the variables b and y. So b, put the value of b here is 2, and then y's value is 3. So 5 2s are 10, and 10 3s are 30. Okay. So let us go for the next question, which is 6th number. B to the power 5. What is the value of b? B is 2. So 2 to the power 5, which is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and 16 2s are 32. Okay. So go for the next sum. So the next sum that we have got over here is 3b square. What is 3? 3 is a constant and b is your variable. So put the value of b, which is 2. So the square, okay. 3 into 2 into 2. 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12. Okay, or else simply if you know the square of 2, which is 4, so 3 into 4, that is 12. The next sum that we have got over here is 2xa. So here are two variables. So you have got 2 and then x. The value of x, which you see here, is 5, and the value of a, which is 7. So let us calculate. 2 5s are 10. 10 into 7 is 70. Otherwise 5 7 is 35 into 2, which is 70. So you can go either way. So let us go for the next sum, which is 9th sum, which we have got 6c to the power 4. So 6 into c, which is c, the value of c is 1, and 1 to the power 4. So 6 into 1 to the power 4. 1 to anything is always 1. So 6 into 1, which is 6 itself. So the 10th sum that we have here is 4y cube. 4 and the value of y. Y, what is there? 3. So 3 to the power 3, which if you know on your own, which is 3 into 3, 9, 9 3 is 27. So cube of 3 is 27. But if you don't know, you can multiply it in a simple way. So as you know, we have got 27. So 27 into 4. Do it in rough. 4 7s are 28. 4 7s are 28. Carry 2. 4 to 8, 9, 10. So you have got 108. So 108. Let us go for the next sum. 11th sum. Here we have got 7c to the power 5. So 7 and then multiplied by c. The value of c is 1. 1 to the power 5. And as I told you, 1 to the power anything will be 1. Okay. So 7 and 7. So let me give you a plus point, another info that you need to remember. Anything to the power 0 is not 0, it's 1. Okay. Anything to the power 0 is not 0, it's 1. So let us go to number 12, which is 9b to the power 4. So 9, copy it as itself as it is, and then b, put the value of b, which is 2 to the power 4. If you know 2 to the power 2 or 4 what it is, you can write it directly, but if you don't know, don't worry, you take the normal multiplication method. So as far as I know, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, okay? 16. So 16 nines are, if you know, it's well and good, but if you don't know, you can simply go for normal multiplication method. So 6 nines are 54, carry 5, and 9 ones are 9, plus 5, which is 144. 14 after getting, so 144. So let us go for the next sum, which is 13th sum, where we have got 8b, c, y as the question. So here we have got 3 variables. So in this, 8 will be copied as it is, and then we have got b, which is 2, and c, which is 1, and y, which holds the value of 3. So let us multiply it normally. 8 to the 16, 16 threes are how much? 48. And if you are thinking that will be tough, you can go for the lower multiplications. Instead of 16, you can go for 2 threes are 6. So 6 is 48. Look for your own convenience, the way you can do it. Now the next question, which is the 14th one, 7y cube. So copy 7 as it is, and then the value of y is 3. 3 to the power 3. If you know 3 to the power 3, you can put the value directly. But if you don't know, don't worry. 3 3s are 9 and 3s are 27. So since the next multiplication is complicated, so you can go for multiplication method. So you have got 3 3 is 9 and 3 is 27 into 7, okay? 7 7 is 49, carry 4, 7 is 14, 14, and then plus 4, 18, so 189. So now we have already solved 14 sums. We are in our last sum. So the last sum is something like this, which is 8x square. So in this 8x square, copy 8 it as it is, and then put the value of x. X is 5, okay? X is 5, so 5 to the power 2, which is 8 into 25, which you will get as 200. Is it 200? Let us see. 8 5s are 40, carry 4. 8 2 is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? Did you understand? So, or else you could have written 8 into 5 also. There would have been no problem. So in that case, you would have multiplied 8 into 5, 40, and then 40 into 5, which is 200. So you can go for any ways that you think is suitable, that you feel easier. So thank you. Thank you for bearing me for all this time. Thank you.